Hello and welcome to our Beginning Python course. My name's Terry. I'm a software developer, a teacher, and the founder of EverybodyCodes.com. Today we're going to learn how to code, and we will focus specifically on a K-12 curriculum. Unfortunately, few students have the opportunity to learn computer science in their schools, yet exposure to computer science leads to some of the best paying jobs in the world. Whether you want to be an educator, an economist, a scientist, or an artist, knowing computational thinking is a valuable skill in the 21st century. In this Beginning Python course, we assume this is the first time you're learning how to code and that you have no prior experience. We'll focus on the 25 key coding concepts, topics such as comments, variables, the assignment statement, basic data types, the print statement, math operators, conditionals, if statements, looping and iteration, lists, collections, functions, and much more. We'll focus specifically on problem solving. We'll look at math, science, gaming, and business applications. For example, in math, we'll look at how to calculate the square root of a number using an iterative process. And for science, we'll look at physics applications such as calculating an object in free fall. And for gaming, we'll model a deck of cards with computer simulation and calculate the odds of dealing a blackjack. And with business, we'll look at applications such as calculating compound interest rates. Overall, to learn how to code, we need practice, practice, and practice. And that's why at EverybodyCodes.com we have a vast database of computer problems and solutions using Python. For example, in our algebra page, we have a wide variety of problems related to algebra. Each has a difficulty rating, and we have a description of both the classical and computational method. For example, if we go into a specific algebra problem, we see finding the square root with a description, then it has inputs, outputs, and a logical flowchart of our algorithm. Then we have the actual source code, which students can work with and tinker and experiment and create it from their own. And then critical thinking questions to ensure students understand the most salient points. Also, we have a full video solution of every problem that walks through as we're creating the line of code, describing our thought process and the algorithm. This entire curriculum is available to both teachers and students 24/7. In addition, we have a full lecture course which goes over all of the major concepts and topics of the Python course. If you're a K-12 educator or teacher, please contact us about using our curriculum. We provide extensive teacher training. Teachers will thoroughly understand how to use our curriculum and the basics of coding. Teachers are at the heart of education, and with the support of an online curriculum and a vast and growing database, we can teach students how to code. So, let's get started. Let's learn to code.